Hey guys, here I am telling you some motivational quotes that will inspire you. So let's get started. The man who does not read books has no advantage over the one who cannot read them. Education is the passport for the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Teacher can open the door, but you must enter it yourself. B.B. King said that the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be ignited. Albert Einstein said that a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Procrastination makes easy things art and art things harder. You do not have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The expert in anything was once a beginner. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. There are no shortcuts for any place worth doing. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I have seen to have. Thomas Edison said that genius is 10% inspiration and 90% perspiration. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you doing. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated. The best way is to predict your future is to create it. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. In the world, you can be anything, be kind. He who asks a question is a fool for 5 minutes. He who does not ask a question remains a fool forever. You have to be hot to be number one.